Hello, everyone. I'm Emilio, and today I'm excited to show you how to create high-resolution footage using AI with Runway ML. Runway ML is an innovative platform that leverages cutting-edge AI to simplify the creative process for filmmakers, artists, and content creators. In this video, we'll dive into three fantastic use cases: landscape fly-throughs, character rendering, and special effects. Now, Runway ML offers a powerful suite of tools designed to help you create creative, professional-grade visuals, whether you want to create lifelike landscapes, bring characters to life, or add eye-catching effects to your videos. Runway ML has got you covered. Let's get started by exploring the platform and setting up our first project. We'll get started here. Choose Get Started. This will take us into our project homepage. As you can see on the left-hand side, we have a number of options. We have Runway Watch, Assets, Workspace Assets, Favorite Assets, and Custom Elements. You have tools, so text to video. You have video to video, generative audio, text to image. You can also see a number of these options here in the middle section. So as I scroll down, you have all of these tiles that give you all of the options that are available to you. So for our first example, we're going to try text image to video. In the upper left-hand corner, we have which model we would like to work with. In this instance, we want to use Gen-3 Alpha. This is the latest model of Runway ML. Now, you could either start this by dragging and dropping an image that we would like to build our scene from, or in this particular instance, let's actually take a script that we've already written. We'll just copy and paste this to describe our shot. And let's read through this. We soar down the cliffside with effortless grace, the sensation of hyperspeed heightening every detail. The cliff is a towering wall of rugged rock, interspersed with resilient vegetation. As we descend, the valley below rushes up to meet us, its forests and rivers blending into the mesmerizing blur, creating an overwhelming sense of exhilaration. Let's go ahead and give this a try. Now that we're done, let's go ahead and play what Runway has built for us. Look at that footage. You can see as it goes right over the cliff into this ravine. And that's a nice 10-second clip. What's great about this is that you can build upon this. One thing to note in the lower left-hand corner, just below the script, is you have a number of attributes you can apply to this footage. Say you wanted to adjust this and include attributes such as a fast zoom or orbiting scenery or dynamic motion. You have a number of these pre-filled options that you can actually apply to your scripts so that you can add a lot more dynamic motion and interactivity with your videos. So this is actually pretty good. Let's actually try our next scenario, and let's build out one with character rendering. Now, this feature is perfect for animators or game developers who need a realistic character without spending countless hours on manual design. Providing a detailed description, such as a futuristic warrior or a metallic armor and glowing blue eyes, Runway ML generates a high-quality character model that can be animated and integrated into your projects. So let's try another script here. We'll drop this new prompt in, and let's take a look at this one. So here we have a busy Italian plaza. A woman stands in a handheld close-up shot for a cinematic documentary. She smirks gently, her freckled skin and small creases conveying a sense of wisdom and experience. Her hair is down slightly. The background is intentionally soft and out of focus with a gentle blur of the crowd. Overhead diffuse lighting softly illuminates her face. The color palette is muted with a cool color grade, giving the scene a calm, reflective atmosphere. Now, what's great about this is you can also see some of those attributes that we mentioned before are incorporated in this one. So you can see that we've got a close-up shot in a documentary type setting and cinematic. Those are keywords that will give us a really great close-up shot of an individual, and we'll get a chance to see that in just a second. So now we'll just choose Generate, and we'll see what Runway does with this prompt. Right, let's scroll down and let's take a look. Great close-up shot. You can see that you've got a blur in the background. So the shot is very much focused on your character. Look, here's the one thing to focus on. Look at the hair. Look at the detail. Look at the scarf around her neck. There's all these really great details that have been added here. And for anyone who has either created work within feature films, if you're used to using B-roll for some of your clips, this is a fantastic way for you to almost get a very specific look and feel that matches the content specific to your project. So for many of us who do go and try to get these clips from other places and try to search for the right type of clip or the right type of character to fit our project, imagine being able to do that directly within Runway and put in your key attributes that you're looking for your project and how much more closely this will match than actually going to a number of providers that are currently out there. So this looks fantastic. Let's go ahead and try one more scenario, which is special effects. Now the tool allows you to add dynamic effects to your videos, enhancing the overall impact of the engagement. So Runway offers a variety of effects from explosions to magical spells. By selecting and applying a desired effect, we can transform a simple scene into something spectacular, such as adding a fiery explosion. So let's do one more script and drop this in here for our last example. This is a cinematic wide shot of a cityscape at dusk engulfed by enormous waves. The setting sun casts a warm glow over the city, with the sky transitioning from orange to deep purple. The gigantic waves rise menacingly, their dark, churning waters stark against the illuminated city. The scene is rendered with high definition clarity, emphasizing the scale and the intensity of the natural disaster, with dramatic lighting and rich contrasting colors. Let's take a look and see what Runway does for us here. So it's definitely following along with the prompt we've given it. You've got the wave, you've got the purplish haze in the distance, and you can actually see as the waves come in over the city and crash over, you even see a little bit of the buildings actually getting pulled in. So this is actually very, very interesting. It actually is very curious how it's handling some of these, but it opens up a lot of opportunity for you to really take your imagination and see what AI will come up with. But it also gives you an opportunity to see if the type of scene that you're looking to create is something that Runway can actually build for you, or if it may change your direction based upon the output you receive. I would say, if nothing else, give it a shot and try out as many of these use cases as possible. You may be surprised at what type of output Runway is actually able to create for you. So there you have it. Using Runway ML, we've created high-resolution landscape fly-throughs, rendered detailed characters, and added stunning special effects to our videos, all with the power of AI. Whether you're a filmmaker, animator, or content creator, Runway ML makes bringing your creative visions to life easier. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out Runway ML to start creating your amazing footage today. And if you like this content, please like, share, subscribe, and follow along. And I look forward to the next video with you.